Hey friends, if you wish to delete temporary files in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So the easiest method is to simply search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar, open disk cleanup and then go to OK. Check all of these boxes here, each and every one of them. Click on OK and then select delete files. So this is the easiest method. Now the second method will be to press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command temp and hit enter. It will ask for permissions to continue. Select any one file, press Ctrl plus A to select all, hit the delete key. Click on continue. It will delete as many files as possible but not all because some files are open. Now press Windows key plus R, type %temp percentage and hit enter. Select any one file, Ctrl plus A, hit delete and then click on this option to delete these files. Finally, press Windows plus R, type prefetch and hit enter and then click on continue. Select any one file, Control plus A, delete. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.